All right, in this video, we're going to be solving radical equations. Radical equations are equations in which there are variables inside the radicand, like these right here. We have to be very careful because there are domain restrictions inside radicals. We only want real solutions, so we do want to plug our solutions back into our radicals and make sure that I don't get a negative or something that does not make the right-hand side true as well. We want to make sure that we isolate the radical on one side of the equal sign. If the radical is a square root, then we're going to square both sides. So if we look at this example, I have the square root of 10 minus 2x equals x minus 2. I did isolate the radical already in this problem. It's how it was given, and it is a square root, so I'm going to square both sides. When I do that, I cancel out my square and my square root on the left-hand side. And then I have to be very careful. This is x minus 1 times x minus 1. That is not the same as x squared minus 1 or positive 1 or whatever squared. Okay, you can't do that. It's a FOIL or a box method. And so I end up getting x squared minus 2x plus 1. I'm going to go ahead and let this be equal to 0 to solve this quadratic. When I add 2, those cancel. And when I subtract 10, I get negative 9. We get x minus 3x plus 3, which means I have possible solutions at 3 and negative 3. But let's check and just double check, make sure. If I plug in 3, do I get the same thing on both sides? This is the square root of 4 equals 2. Yes, that is true. Here I get the square root of 16 equals negative 4. Not true. So only 3 is a solution. Negative 3 is what we call an extraneous solution.